slide into success on Instagram. Did you know carousel posts can boost your reach dramatically? Hey social media marketers, are you striving to make your Instagram feed stand out? Well, hold on to your hashtags because we've got some game-changing stats just for you. Carousel posts on Instagram are not just about swiping left. They're about swiping right into the hearts of your audience. And here's the kicker, carousel posts get a whopping 1.4 times more reach than any other post types. Yes, you heard that right, 1.4 times more? Why is this, you ask? Carousels allow you to showcase multiple angles of your product, tell a story, or give a step-by-step guide. More content in a single post means more engagement, and more engagement means more reach. It's a simple formula for Instagram success. Now imagine doubling down on your visuals with captivating images or creating a mini tutorial. You're not just keeping your audience's fingers busy swiping, you're keeping their eyes glued to your content. And the best part? Every swipe increases the time they spend with your brand, boosting those all-important algorithm points. So next time you're planning your Instagram content, remember, a carousel isn't just a ride at the fair, it's a ride towards higher engagement and greater reach. Ready to give it a whirl?